I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you want to build a snowman? You probably shouldn't unless you have these gloves. Let me tell you about them. I got these wonderful gloves for my husband from WindRider, and he loves them. They are waterproof. They keep his hands nice and warm. They cinch up nice and tight in two different places. You've got them on your hands. You can tighten them up that way. And then you've also got the elastic strap that you can pull on and tighten further up around your wrist. So these are waterproof and they hold true to that. My husband has used them in a variety of different occasions, and they have kept his hands dry and warm the entire time. He loves that they have pockets everywhere. He uses them to put hand warmers in so that when he's skiing or ice fishing or snowboarding, his hands will stay even warmer than usual. Another thing that he likes about them is that they have the touch screen tips on the fingers, so you can still use your phone without taking your gloves off. So these little babies have been wonderful. My husband loves them. I think that they're wonderful. I think you'll think they're wonderful. And that's my point of view.